Good morning, everyone. Let's quickly jump to the setups. So in front of us, we have the Dow yearly high low, currently between levels of 50 and 61.8. As support resistance, if we look at moving averages, 8 is above 21. That indicating trend is up, so we're still looking for that 89 target level. On the Dow monthly high low, currently between levels of 61.8 and 77 as support resistance. If we look at moving averages, 8 is above 21 above 50. That's indicating trend is up. So we still want that push above the 100 to aim for the 127. On the Dow weekly high low, currently between the levels of 0 and 11. That has triggered last night, so we're still waiting for that. So to aim for the minus 127 first TP, minus 161.8 second TP, stop loss being at the 23.6. Remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. On the Dow daily high low, currently between levels of 23.6 and 38.2. Looking moving averages, 50 is above 21 above 8. That's indicating trend is down, so we want a candle close below the 0 level, break previous candle low to aim for the minus 127 first TP, minus 161.8 second TP, stop loss being at the 23.6. Remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. NASDAQ yearly high low, currently between levels of minus 127 and 0 support resistance. If we look at moving averages, 50 is above 21 above 8. That's indicating trend is down. So we want that push below the minus 127 to aim for the minus 161.8. On the USD monthly high low, currently between levels of 61.8 and 77 as support resistance. If we look at moving averages, 8 is above 21 above 50. That's indicating trend is up. So with that, we want to push above the 100 level to aim for that 127. On the USD weekly high low, currently between levels of 11 and 23.6. If you look at the moving averages, 50 is above 21 above 8, or blue is above red above green. That's indicating trend is down, so we want that candle close below the 0 level, break previous candle low to aim for the minus 127 first TP, minus 161.8 second TP, stop loss being at the 23.6. Remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. USD daily high low, currently between levels of 11 and 23.6. If you look at the moving averages, 50 is above 21 above 8. That's indicating trend is down. So we want a candle close below the 0 level, break previous candle low to aim for the minus 127 first TP, minus 161.8 second TP, stop loss being at the 23.6. Remember, guys, as soon as we hit the first red line, we move our trailing stop to entry. As soon as we hit the first TP, we move our trailing stop to the first red line. And as soon as we hit the second red line, we move our trailing stop to the first TP. On the DAX yearly high low, currently between levels of 23.6 and 38.2 as support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, trend is up, 8 is above 21. So with that, we want to push above the 61 to aim for the 89. On the DAX monthly high low, currently between levels of the 77 and 89 as support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, 8 is above 21 above 50. Indicating trend is up, so we want that push above the 100 level to aim for the 127 target. On the DAX weekly high low, currently between levels of 0 and minus 127. No real indications now to go short anymore. We did get that trigger yesterday. So with that, we can only look now for a long, so meaning 8 crosses 21 to the upside. With that, a candle close above the 61.8. Break previous candle high to aim for the 77 first TP. 89 second TP, stop loss being at the 50. Remember, guys, same rules apply with the red lines. On the DAX daily high low, currently between levels of 23.6 and 11. If you look at the moving averages, 50 is above 21 above 8, or blue is above red above green. That's indicating trend is down. So with that, want a candle close below the 0 level, break previous candle low to aim for the minus 127 first TP, minus 161.8 second TP, stop loss being at the 23.6. And remember, guys, same rules apply with the red lines. On the Aussie yearly high low, currently between levels of 100 and 127 as support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, trend is up, 8 is above 21. So with that, we are still aiming for that 127 target level. On the Aussie monthly high low, currently between levels of 89 and 100 support resistance. If you look at the moving averages, 8 is above 21 above 50. That's indicating trend is up, so we're still looking for that 127 target level. On the Aussie weekly high low, currently between levels of 50 and 61.8. If you look at the moving averages, trend is down, 8 is above 21. That's again trend is down, so we want a candle close below the 38.2, break previous candle low to aim for the 23.6 first TP, 11 second TP, stop loss being at the 50. Remember guys, same rules apply with the red lines. On the Aussie daily high-low, currently between levels of 11 and 23.6. Looking at moving averages, 50 is above 21, above 8. That's indicating trend is down. So with that, we want a candle close below the zero level, break previous candle low to aim for the minus 127 first TP, minus 161.8 second TP, stop loss being at the 23.6. Remember guys, same rules apply with the red lines. Guys, I thank you so much for joining in. Hope you have a fantastic day and all the luck with your trading. Cheers, guys.